guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this stunning Triumph Speed Triple, and this one is a 94 edition. So this one is a 2015 on a 15 plate. It's only done 9,456 miles from new, and as you can see, it's a stunner. Looks fantastic in the 94 colour scheme, so the yellow over the black, and I think it looks unbelievable. It's gorgeous. This one has got an SC Project exhaust that sounds mega, so if you rewind a little bit you'll get to hear it. It's got some bar end mirrors, it's got the seat cowl, it's got an Evotech tail tidy, you've got a fly screen on there. It's also got the radiator guard as well, and a little phone holder. You get ABS as standard, you get a digital display with the analog rev counter. Obviously you get that 3-cylinder triple engine, which sounds brilliant. LED indicators, and the reason that it's a 94 is because they first brought the Speed Triple out in 1994, so it's just to remember that one. Anyway, they're a popular seller, they're a hell of a lot of bike for the money, so if you do want it, be quick. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.